Hi, my name is Marc. I'm the CEO and partner of Appliant. Appliant is a spin-off company of Clinea Biopharmaceutical Engineering. And in there, we try to package all the process knowledge from Clinea into applications, then that we can deploy to the shop floor to solve specific issues that they find in the shop floor, right? So at the end, we create a product, which is named a Manufacturing Intelligence Platform, where we can add as apps as necessary to really digitalize all the site and the shop floor. We are only focused in pharma and biotech. We are super vertical in that sense, is where our expertise is, and in that sense we are just in that life science vertical, and we are only using zenon technology to supply these products to the industry, right? So we are focused on biotech and pharma, and only with zenon technology. The main reason for becoming a COPA-DATA partner is because after screening the market, about 5 years looking for technologies, we find this modular approach and modular technology that zenon and COPA-DATA has embedded into the platform is where what we have been looking to really supply to our customers, this modular approach to make that more flexible and scalable technology. It means a lot in the sense that it's a huge community, very close to the integrators and to a company like us, so we get really good support in our day-to-day of daily operations, and also helping us to deploy technology into customer sites. So it's really a privilege to have this network around us, also because in other cases, in two big companies or two old-fashioned companies, they are not so close to the integrators as COPA-DATA is. It's about 1.5 years now, and it was really an exciting journey and very fast one, where we get silver partner in a very fast track with less than a year. Right now we are approaching the golden partner, which probably is going to be by 1st of January next year. The greatest value that we see in Zenon platform is this modular MTP capability, because we used to apply this into the operations unit of the manufacturing shop floor, this process knowledge embedded into this modular automation that is offered by Zenon platform in a native way. And then also the part of GMP compliant is also important for us in the sense of fulfilling 21, Part 11, GAM 5, and so on forth. So together, the modular automation together with the qualification package is key for us in the biotech and pharma world. Zenon helps a lot. In fact, it's our core value proposition. It's with Zenon. We are only going with Zenon platform, so as much as we are making this value proposition to the market and we are deploying these projects, it's thanks to Zenon platform itself, just 100% there. It's difficult to choose one specific project. We are running several projects at the same time, and each one has different characteristics, right? So we start with a complete digitalization of a whole site, which is a really nice and big project, but also we are working in a very advanced value products in advanced therapies world together with hospitals here in Spain, right? So it's a kind of mixture of the projects, and each one has a specific characteristics, from super added value in advanced therapies, R&D projects funded by European Union, up to a single CMO trying to perform the daily operations. So it's a wide range, but we are proud of all of them. Everyone has its specific particularities and added value. To ensure customer success, the key part of it is to engage the key stakeholders at the beginning of the project, meaning that engage with quality, production, site management, and C-levels, all in the same table, getting on board with the project. Then that will help you to go smoothly up to the completion.